How does a human cannonball compare to a soccer ball? Well, a FIFA soccer field is around 110 meters, and a penalty box is 16.5 meters. If a soccer player kicked a ball from one penalty box line to the other penalty box line, the soccer ball would cover a distance of 77 meters, the horizontal displacement. The kick would look something like this. The total time that it took the soccer ball to travel the length of the field was 3.73 seconds. We know the horizontal velocity stays the same because there is no horizontal acceleration. We have both the distance and the time, so we can calculate the horizontal velocity of the ball using this equation. This equals to 20.643 meters per second. To solve for the vertical velocity, we use this kinematic equation. Let's set the initial vertical velocity at point B and the final vertical velocity at point C. At point B, the ball is at its maximum height, so the velocity is 0. Since the ball is a projectile, the only force acting on it is gravity. The acceleration due to gravity is approximately 9.81 meters per second squared. Our time is half of 3.73 seconds because it takes the ball half of the total time to travel from the highest point to the ground. Plugging in, we get our final vertical velocity to be 18.296 meters per second. Since we found the vertical and horizontal velocities, we can find the velocity of the ball by finding the square root of the final vertical velocity squared plus the horizontal velocity squared. We get that the soccer ball moves at about 27.583 meters per second. Now for the cannonball. David Smith's previous world record for the farthest distance traveled by a human cannonball was 59.05 meters in 4.67 seconds. Let's plug into the equation again. His horizontal velocity would be 12.645 meters per second. The cannonball's vertical velocity can be solved in the same way as we solved the vertical velocity of the soccer ball. The vertical initial velocity is 0 and the time is 4.67 seconds divided by 2, so his final vertical velocity would be 22.906 meters per second. Now we can solve for the velocity of the human cannonball. We plug in, the velocity is 26.164 meters per second, so now we can see that the soccer ball will travel at approximately 27.6 meters per second, while a human cannonball is slightly slower at around 26.2 meters per second. This means that we can kick something at a speed faster than a cannon can launch us at.